Alright, today we are in Limay in Bataan and visiting Janice uncle and auntie and her cousins.
Yeah.
There's a few
I
of
have a lot
them.
of cousins here.
How many you got here?
And half of this population.
Half of this village is your are your cousins? I don't think. Oh, somebody got a little mad. Huh? Ah, he raises his voice. Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. Anyway, let's get back to where we are in Limay, a small little fishing village town on the eastern peninsula of Bataan. And we go down here occasionally. The primary industry here is fishing, and I was invited at 2 o'clock and go and film some crab fishing. But going to bed at 1 o'clock and then try to get up at 2 was a little too much for me, so I opted out of the crab fishing today. They get back to the harbor, I think, around what time? 4 o'clock?
Yeah, 4 o'clock.
And
Then he went back.
empty out the nets, and now they are going out to they're going out again.
Catching sardines.
No, yeah.
Second batch.
The second round, they are out already and trying to catch some sardines. We'll see. I love to get some sardines. I love to get some sardines so I can make myself a little Kinilaw, huh?
Kinilaw.
Kinilaw. That's what it's called. What is that? What is that made of?
Sardines. Any kind of
Yeah,
fish.
but what's the dressing? Because it's almost like
Vinegar,
vinegar,
salt,
salt,
onions, red onions,
onions, red
and
onion,
then red chili.
little red chili.
Yeah, and then ginger. You put ginger.
Okay. And
That's
they just do they boil it first?
No.
No, it's just raw, right? They clean out.
First you need to clean out the fish and then take it all the bones.
Right.
And then that's it.
All right. Take all the what do you call it? The center bone, and
Yeah,
they
yeah,
pull it
yeah,
out,
yeah.
and then you have that, and they put it all in and
Yeah.
mix it up.
Yeah, yeah.
It actually is really, really good. All right. So just to show you a little bit of the family. Here we have. I don't know all the names.
Okay.
So now, what's your name?
Lovely.
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 You?
Nicole.
Nicole. Alam ko na. Sino si Terence. Terence.
Terence.
Oh, no. Jarens.
Jarens.
Jarens. This one is... Ang pangalan nito, be? Ha?
Jarilyn.
Jarilyn.
Geraldine.
Ikaw, be?
Erica.
Mary Jean.
Mary Jean. Ikaw.
And I'm Shell. All right, so this is part of the cousin group.
Yeah.
Are they all cousins?
Yeah. No, except this one.
Okay. And with she? Just a friend.
Yeah, just a friend or
Okay.
neighbors.
It's nice. All right, guys. Let's move on. Kinilaw. And they clean it off just as fillets on the side of the fish. And who gets the rest? Hmm? The little cats here get to eat the fish. So they get their little morning feast. This one looks a little rough. It's been in a fight. And here they have a little bit of plants. Last time I did see some tomatoes. And I think these are actually eggplants. So Who do we have here?
Baby Christine here.
Hello. Yeah. We were down here for her christening. When was that? November?
Yeah, it's December.
Yeah. Yep. She's growing up. She's getting bigger and bigger. Little cutie. Little cutie. And this is a big cutie right there. That's a big cutie right there. Right? How old? Dalawa? Huh?
Ilan taon ka na daw, babe?
Baby.
7? 6?
6 years old. 7 now. Oh, you're getting big. Yeah.
Wala, mayumi, naganda.
They're so shy for camera.